Good morning. This is Professor Anderson with a little bit of feedback for your writing assignment number 4. We're at the end of the road here, the rough draft. So congratulations for just turning in something and getting it on paper. That's the biggest first hurdle. I realize this is very rough draft, but I'm certain that you'll have several other iterations. So kudos to you for just putting it on the calendar and shaking it out of your sleeve and getting the ball rolling. So let's take a look at this real quickly. I pulled up a sample paper. This is the Evening Shade sample paper, and I want you to take a look at this. This is what's called the letter of transmittal. And if you take a look at the, it says letter to a decision maker. It's a business letter, not a memo. So you just want to, it's very quick. It has a quick header, has a quick, dear whoever, basically what I like to think about this is the receipt. So you go shopping, you have a lot of packages that you purchase, and then inside of the package you have the receipt, and you just don't feel like pulling all the products out, and you have many different bags, maybe from the same store. So you pull out the receipt to see what's in the bag. When you're talking about a research-based report, this is going to the top decision makers, but they do not have time to read everything. This is the quick overview of, hey, look, this is that report on this problem. You authorized research for this on X day. Enclosed are the findings. Thank you for your time and consideration. You're not persuading anyone. You're not giving them all the details about what's inside of the report. This quick here, here's the report. This is it. Here's the report. This is what it does. You gave the approval for the additional research. Thanks again for your time and consideration. And then we're done. So your introduction, you have, it looks like you've taken your memo and put that in here. And I want to share with you that the idea, the format of the memo, which is writing assignment number 3, the content in that is really an executive summary. So that executive summary information of, hey, here's a quick understanding overview of the whole problem. This is what others say about it. This is what we found in our industry, and these are the recommendations. That's the concept of the memo that we write for writing assignment number 3. It really is the content of writing assignment number 3 is really the substance of an executive summary. So moving in that direction, you may want to take this executive summary. Here you go. You have your title page. Okay, don't forget, let's take a look here where we have the title page, letter to a decision maker, executive summary, table of contents. It looks like that has been changed. Executive summary, purpose, findings. Can you see how this executive summary, the content in it, the purpose, the findings, and the recommendations are really, the purpose is like the summary. This is the problem. Actually, you're not asking for permission, but this is the problem. Why is the problem? Why does it need to be investigated? That's the purpose. What have you done? The findings. This is part of the findings too, and then recommendation. So you want to shift that around a little bit, and then offer your, gosh, what is this called? Tabletop contents, thanks. Yikes. Here is, in this example, when you finish your paper, make sure your table of contents corresponds to each of the pages. You're probably going to find that your inside of your scope of the study, the purpose of the study, your introduction, this is going to be a little longer than 1, 2, or 3 pages. And then make sure that you include in there, in your primary research, did you use any kind, what the data that you collected, are you using any kind of graphics to represent that data? Make certain that you incorporate those and list those as, either appendix or figures or something like that. Make sure that you cite them. So I look forward to, I think you probably want to go ahead and flesh this out a little bit more and ask for more feedback. When you do resubmit another rough draft or more final rough draft, just send me a quick email, because once I note that I've checked off check your name off on this other spreadsheet that I have that says you've already turned in a rough draft. The only way that I'll really know, aside from opening up your specific folders, if you shoot me a quick email. That way we'll make sure I don't miss it. So good luck, and I look forward to reading your final paper.